Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be doing an all-round gele on my head. So first off, you want to get the right measurement. I fold my gele into 4 equal parts and I take just one part out of the 4, so 1/4. That is what I'm holding on to, and that is what will make my shorter flap of the gele. So that measurement is 30. I take a little out of it to make 25. Where I just come to my leg to make my base pleat. It's easier like this. Please master your base pleat like this. Once you can do it like this, it'll be easy. Take note of how I hold it. I bring them together and I lay them on my head. This is the easiest method you can use to get your base pleat. Once you can do it like this, you'd even be able to do it on your head. So I come to the back to fold my gele gently and orderly, and remember the shorter flap goes up. You can see how I'm doing it. The shorter flap should go up and the longer flap will come down. The longer flap will come down. So yeah, make sure that you drag on both flaps. You drag firmly. So once your gele is firm on your head, you start to make your fan pleat. Here I'm dragging so that my gele can be more secure on my head. So yeah, I just take my pin and I use to hold onto my base pleat, so that way it will be easier for you to make your pleat. Please make sure that you slant your pleat. Look at what I'm doing exactly and follow it. So yeah, I take another pin after making the first 3 pleats. So as a beginner, I expect you to have enough pins, so you can decide to pin after every 2 pleats depending on how easy it is for you to hold onto your pleats, because making your gele on your head is even harder than making it on another person's head. So you definitely want to take it easy on yourself. If it's 2 pleats you can hold at once, just do 2 pleats, pin down, do 2 pleats, pin down. But as you are doing your pleats, make sure that you are moving. You can see as I'm pinning down, I am moving. Make sure you are moving so that your pleats are not concentrated on one area. You want to have an all-round fan gele, and you want to make sure that your pleat gets to the other end of your gele. So you can make 2 pleats and move, but in this video I made 3 pleats and I moved. So this is how you continue to pleat your gele till you get to the end. So while watching this video, if it's a video that is helping you, you could decide to subscribe to the channel so you can see more gele videos, especially how to do gele on your head. And you also can give this video a thumbs up so it reaches other people that need it. So we continue with our gele. You can see that now that I've gotten towards the other end, and before I forget, it's important that while making your pleat, you care for the other pleats that you've made. Make sure that you go back, straighten out other pleats as I'm doing here. Straighten out other pleats before you go. So as you make an additional pleat, go back to the others, check if they are good like I'm doing now. This is really important and it will help the outcome of your gele. Make sure that they are standing, then continue to make your pleats. Make sure that every pleat you make is straightened out. So as I get to the end, this is me just trying to straighten out the pleat I have made. I did not know that the gele here was covering it, so I was just using my other hand to straighten out the pleat. That was what I was doing at the back. Then I come back to the front and I continue to make my pleats. Continue to make my pleat. I take my time, make sure that they are aligned on themselves, and I pleat towards the end. This is why it is very important for you to leave enough fabric so that your gele can get to the end. Here I take my pin, since there's nobody to hold on to it. If I was tying this gele for somebody, I probably would have told them to hold on to this end, but yeah, I just use my pin to hold it and I make a wrap. You can see the twist that I'm making yet, because I'm not going to be tying the gele, I'm not going to be making a knot. So I take the shoulder flap, it's the shoulder flap that I'm dragging over the twist I made here, so I pin it down. This way my gele is secure. Make sure that it is tight enough so it can be secure. Remember, you are not making a knot for this gele, so you don't just want it to be loose, because when it's loose, rather, you risk losing all your pleat. So yeah, as I've done that, I just come back to arrange my pleats, and because I took my time to arrange while making, I don't really have much to do. So yeah, I come to the back of my gele. I hope I'm not too fast. I'm still arranging here, so I would now come to the back here and drag, because I want this other side, I don't want it to just be down and flappy, I want it to be arranged and aligned. So I just went to the back and I dragged just the angle that links to that part. You'll see it as you drag. So yeah, I come to finish up my twist, since I'm comfortable with how the pleats of my gele is. And yeah, I just decided to cover my hair. You can decide to twist it down or cover up like I'm doing. So yeah, I cover the back of my gele. It is important to tidy up your gele at the back, and while you're done with this, do not forget to make minor adjustments if there's still any need. If there's no need, just make sure that you drag your gele to the back and show off your hairline. Please, it is important for you to just adjust your gele just a little. You don't need to drag all the way to the back, and you have your all-round fan gele. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye.